Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Akshay Malyala. Coming to this video. In this video, I am going to discuss about SRM JEE 2021 slot booking. Coming to slot booking, it should be opened yesterday, that is 19th May, but there was due to some technical issues, they have delayed it to today. So you have time today and tomorrow for slot booking according to official thing. So they may extend or not. We don't know that they may extend it or not, but the official dates are today and tomorrow, and you also should give a mock test between today and tomorrow. Just after booking the slot, you need to also give the mock test. So how to give the mock test also I will be showing you as we move forward in this video. Coming to one important thing, just after getting the mail regarding your login credentials, like after applying, so what happens is in SRM you will be having two ways of application process. One will be total online application process, and the second will be those who can, like, they can fill in the form and they can send it to, like, by post to SRM people. So in these two methods, so those who have done by online process, so they got login credentials fast, and those who send their application form offline, means by post, so for them the login credentials are taking a little bit time. So once you get the login credentials, user ID and password to your mail, so you will be also seeing one link there. So don't worry, like if you don't want to directly click the link from there, you can also use the link in the description. I am also using the same link. So I will show you now how one should apply for slot booking. And one important thing I want to say is, here I am not going to show you the live slot booking because this particular student already booked the slot, but I will explain you the process. Just check. So once you will see the same portal, okay? Now here user ID and here password, I have already entered them. You will get a user ID and you will also get password in that mail ID. So enter that and click on login. So once you click login, so you will see like this interface. You will get all your details, photo, signature, everything. Just see here slot booking. He already booked this slot, that's why it is showing like this. But here you will find book your slot. Once you click that book your slot, you need to upload your photo and signature once again. Rather, like, I know you people have already uploaded during your application process, but once again you need to upload your photo and signature now. And then click, as I said, click on slot booking, then upload photo and signature, then choose your slot. As exam dates are 23rd and 24th, you can choose any of your slot according to the display, like it's your wish, right? So after clicking date and book your slot, then submit, you will get an e-admit card. Just see, after submitting, you will see the same interface. So as he already booked, I was unable to show you the live slot booking. Now coming to how one should attempt for mock test. If you see here, if you are from laptop or desktop or mobile, so there are two links here. Instructions for mock test, instructions for mock test, laptop or desktop. If you are from laptop or desktop, click this link. And if you want to write the exam from mobile, click the below link, instruction for mock test mobile. So for example, now I am using laptop, right? I will click this laptop. You will be taken into this interface. You can read all the instructions here, do's and don'ts, and don'ts, do's, dear candidate, everything is there. Just go through all these instructions once and just click here, I agree. I agree that I have read and understood all above instructions. Then if you click submit, so you will be taken into the exam, mock test exam, and you can give your exam mock test. So if you are doing it from mobile, same process. For example, let me show. So this is of laptop and desktop, right? For mobile, click this and directly, like I click it, I agree, and then submit. Then exam will start, and there is no particular timing like for which you need to at least stay for 1 hour. But here it is not like that. You can just go and try to attempt those questions. Just see how the exam pattern is. So try to practice as much as you can. Don't leave within a 5 to 6 minutes. So like you need some practice, right? Before writing the main exam, you need some practice, right? So use this as a practice test. So based on your mobile or laptop, you can use these links. So that's all. I hope I have given all the information. Hope you all love this video. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care, bye bye, and all the best. Hope you all safe.